हरि श्री गुरु चरणा पद्मा केवाला बकाती सदमा। बोलो बंदो मुहे सावादाना माते यार प्रसादे भाई हे बाबा तोरी आ जाय। कृष्णा प्राप्ति होया होते गुरु मुका पद्मा वाक्या सीते ते कोरिया क्या। अरना कोरी हो माने आशा श्री गुरु चाराने राती ऐसे उठा मागती। ये प्रसादे पूरे सर्वाशा ये प्रसादे पूरे सर्वाशा चकुदान दिलो जे जन्मे जन्मे प्रभु से दिव्य ज्ञान हृदय प्रकाशितो प्रेमा भक्ति होते अविद्या विनाशायति वेद यार सरे तो श्री गुरु करना सिंधु अदमा जनारा बंधु श्री गुरु करना सिंधु आदमा जनारा बंधु लोकनाथ लोकराजीवाना श्रीला प्रभुपाद पतित पवाना हाँ हाँ प्रभु कर दया देखो मोरे परचया एबे ऐसा गुशुत्र भुवाना श्रीलो प्रभुपाद पतिता पवाना श्रीला प्रभुपाद लोइलो सराना जय प्रभुपदा 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 जय प्रभुपदा जय जय प्रभुपाद 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 जय जय प्रभुपाद नित्य गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल नित्य गौर हरि बोल नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांता स्वामी नित्य नामिने बोलो नमस्ते सरस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषा शून्यवादी पस्कताय शतारिणे श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 रामो 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 हरे हरे एवरीबॉडी हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 रामो 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 हरे हरे बोलो। वेरी गुड। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 रामो 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 हरे हरे बोलो। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 रामो 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 हरे हरे You can play. You can play. हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 रामो 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 हरे हरे लीवा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 रामो 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 हरे हरे बोलो। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे रामो रामो हरे हरे वाओ। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 रामो 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 रामो 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 रामो 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 रामो 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 हरे हरे ओके हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 रामो राम राम हरे हरे बोलो हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे ओ हरे रामो राम राम हरे हरे बोलो हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 रामो राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे ओके Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Bolo. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare. Jayo Radha Radhanath Radha Radhanath Radhe. Bolo. Jaya Giri Govardhan, Giri Govardhan, Giri Govardhan, Jai Giri Govardhan. Nittai Gaur Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Nittai Gaur Hari Bol. Jaya Jai Prabhupada, 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 Jai Jai Prabhupada. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Maharaj Prabhupada ki jai. Nitya Leela Pravistar Om Vishnupad Paramsa Parvaraj Kacharya Astu Sata. Evangelist Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Maharaj Prabhupada ki jai. Naam Chari Shri Haridas Thakur ki jai. Prem se kaho Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shrivas Adi Gaura Bhakti Vrinda ki. Shri Shri Radha Krishna Go Gopinath Shamakund Radhakund Shri Giri Govardhan ki jai. Ganga Mai ki, Jamuna Mai ki, Bhakti Devi ki, Tulsi Maharani ki, Samved Bhakti Vrinda ki, Hari Nam Sankirtan ki, Shri Shri Radha Radhanath ki, Shri Shri Nitai Gaur Premanandi. All glories to the assembled devotees. All glories to the assembled devotees. All glories to the assembled devotees. All glories. All glories to Shri Shri Guru and Shri Gauranga, all glories to Srila Prabhupada.
Hare Krishna, dear devotees. Welcome to today's Sunday Love Feast program. A special welcome to anyone who may be here joining us today for the first time. It's always lovely to have new people with us to join our family. Also welcome to our online community, all those who are watching us online on our online programs. So devotees, the next part of our program is our class, and for this specifically, our gentle reminder to please check your cell phones quickly, make sure they are on silent mode or they are turned off completely. So our speaker for today is His Grace Patanjali Das, who comes from South Korea. So we'll share a little bit about Prabhu. His Grace Patanjali Muni Das is a devoted disciple of His Holiness Bhaktitirtha Swami Maharaj. He also serves as the regional secretary of ISKCON in South Korea and as the temple president at Sri Sri Radha Krishna Chandra Temple in Korea. His journey into Krishna consciousness started in London, and this led him to Korea, where he lovingly serves the Krishna conscious community. Prabhu's topic for today is Vidura's teachings from the Mahabharata. So we welcome His Grace Patanjali Munidas. Hare Krishna.
Girvaradhari. Okay, no problem.
Gopijana Vallabha Girivaradhari Yasodanandana Prajajana Ranjana Yasodanandana Prajajana Ranjana
Yamuna Tiravanachari. It's okay.
Vihari Jaya Radha Madhava Jaya Kunja Vihari Gopijana Vallabha Girivaradhari Radha Vallabha Javadhari Sodhamanjana Vrajajana Ranjana Prajajana Ranjana Yamuna Tiravanachari Madhava Jaya Gunja Vihari Jaya Radha Madhava Jaya Kunja Vihari Jai Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya 나라야남 나마스크리트야 나람짜이바 나로따맘 데빔 사르스바팀 벼삼 타토 자야무디라예 나시타 프라예슈 아바드레슈 니त्यam bhagavata sevaya bhagavati uttama sloke bhaktir bhavati naishtaki Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasari Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Srila Prabhupada Ki Jai. Thank you all very much. I'm truly honored to be in this Sri Sri Radhanath temple. First time in South Africa, and I feel absolutely blessed and amazed. All wonderful activities here. Hare Krishna. Just to quickly introduce myself, that I'm from South Korea, from very remote village. So when I was young like this, when we see the car, we just run after the car. So a few times a day, there is a buses coming. Then we are chasing who is going to reach the bus. So when the bus goes, and we behind, we follow the bus. So this type of village I came from. So as you know, we don't speak English at all. We hardly heard English. And then when I turned at the age 13, not even elementary school. In the middle school, we start middle school, then we start to learn English. So first we learn, teacher writes something, we follow. Still I remember, I am a boy, you are a girl. This is how we started. So still in our language, I am a boy, it's am, you are a girl, are, we use the same verb. And also word order is different. So, you, girl, are. These are our grammatical order. So very much confusing. So in order to understand the difference between am and are, it took 1 year. So in the middle of I'm speaking, you may see grammatically this is completely wrong, but you must understand that even if I say I are boy, you am girl, you should understand as I am a boy, you are a girl. Okay? So Chanaka Pandit said, Bishat api amritam graham. So even if there is a poison, you should extract amrita, nectar. Amedyat api kanchanam. So even if there is a filthy place, even if in the mud, you should extract gold. Nichat api uttama vidya. Even if low class person, but if you say something nice, especially uttama vidya, if he speaks about Shastra, you should extract the Shastra, not the personality. For example, at dark night, someone holds a torch. Don't worry about who is holding the torch. You take a benefit of that light. And also, Stri Ratnam, Dushkulat api, Sukula, the family. So there are many types of family. High class family, middle class family, low class family. But Dushkulat, very bad family. But and yet, there can be Stri Ratnam. There is jewel. What kind of jewel? Girl, lady. Some lady, they may coming from lower background, but and yet their personality can be like a jewel in the family. So in this way, my grammar may be broken. My English is completely terrible, difficult to understand, but you should extract the essence of it. So this is my disclaimer. So I saw in the temple here the disclaimer. So everything is stolen or whatever goes wrong in this temple, who's liable? So the person who visited is liable, yes? So at the end of the class, you feel, oh, so much of disappointment. I wasted my time. Then whose fault is it? Okay, it's not my fault, yeah? So similarly, Vidura said also to Dhritarashtra, you know the personality of Vidura. Very similar thing he said, that api ummatat pralapato. So ummata means mad person. Mad person says very loose talk, gibberish talk, something that doesn't make any sense. And then 발라차 빠리잘빠다하 빠잘빠, you know, the ballad. So children, they say something very, doesn't make any sense. And then sometimes not very logical, sometimes difficult to understand their emotion. But and yet, it says, 살바타하 사람 아다dat. From everywhere, you should know how to extract the saram, the essence. Like a honeybee collect honey from different flowers. And Bhagavatam also, Krishna took that role. Bhavavayam apantu jnana vijnana saram. So, we have a certain fear in our life. So bhava, in this material life, full of fear. So there are 9 types of fear. We saw from Keshava Maharaj's the presentation. So it starts with bhoge roga bhayam. So that in the enjoyment, there's always a fear of disease. Kulle chutta bhayam. So that in the family, always there is some element of falling down, some discrepancy, and then prite niripala payam. So when you collect the money, all the government put so much tax on it, so trying to take it, etc. So in this way, there are so many fear, and ultimately, kaya anta payam. So in our body, ultimately, it has to end. We have fear of that. So in this way, there are so many fear in our life. Baba Bayam, apahantum. This Baya, apahantum, to take away. Krishna churned old Veda, and also Krishna took the only essence and put into Srimad Bhagavatam. How? Bring about, like a honeybee. So in this way, Vidura also said that here, Ashmabhya iva kanchanam. So like amongst the pebbles, you should extract the gold. So very similar thing is mentioned either Srimad Bhagavatam or Vidura or Chanaka Pandit. So there are many things are said in Vidura Niti. So in Mahabharata, there are certain topics considered as the jewel of Mahabharata. So Bhagavatam, how many verses are there? Bhagavatam? Yeah, 18,000 verses. Ramayana, how many verses are there? Ramayana, how many verses? 30,000 verses. But Mahabharata, how many verses? 120,000 verses. How many verses in Bhagavad Gita? 700. So it is difficult to understand 700 verses, but can you imagine 120,000 verses? That's why Mahabharata is greatest, longest epic in the world. So in that, there are some jewels which you can extract. So as you know, Bhagavad Gita is coming from Mahabharata. Some other jewels can you think of from Mahabharata? Vishnu Sahasranam. Have you heard of Vishnu Sahasranam? 1,000 names of Vishnu. Om Shuklam Bharadaram Vishnu Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannam Vadanam Dhyayet Salva Vigno Pashantayet. This is how normally start Vishnu Sahasranam. So there are many, many types of Vishnu or Krishna's name. And particularly, Vishnu wears white. Krishna wears sometimes blue, sometimes Krishna looks black, etc. But whatever form may be, prasanna bhadanam dhyayet. If we meditate upon the smiling face of Krishna, then sarva vignaha, all the obstacles, sarva vigna, upashantaye, it will disappear. Ultimately, Krishna knows. Even if you are crying, Krishna knows that one day you'll smile. Keshava Maharaj yesterday gave a talk in the yoga center. He gave a beautiful story that one king gave a riddle to prisoners. If you get it correct, then you'll be released. So what is the riddle? What makes you sad when you are happy? The same thing, what makes you happy when you are sad? What is that? So that was a riddle I learned yesterday. So the one prisoner put the hand up. Okay, this is the answer. And there was a jewel box. And then king opened it, and there was a ring. So there is a saying that when boys and girls meet, that they fall in love with each other. So later on, boy gives engagement ring. And then later on, they get married, they give a wedding ring. Then after wedding, boy gives suffering. So king is thinking, oh, you giving me suffering? What kind of ring is this? And then the prisoner said that, please read carefully. There will be answer over there. So in that ring it is said, this too will pass. So when you are sad, you must have a faith that this sadness will pass soon. And so when you are happy, then don't be too excited. That happiness also soon will pass. So in this way, prasanna bhadanam. So when we truly meditate upon smiling face of Krishna, then all the obstacles meant to pass eventually. That's why Krishna is smiling. Sometimes if you come to mandir, take a darshan, Krishna, do you know what I'm going through? How come you're smiling? You're always smiling, no matter what I'm going through. But you know what Krishna's answer is? Yes, my dear. Eventually, you'll come to me. Why shouldn't I smile? This is Krishna's answer. So in this way, this is Vishnu Sahasranam. 1,000 name, Krishna's 1,000 name gives a certain lesson to us. So this is one of jewel in Mahabharata. And another jewel of Mahabharata is Yaksha Prashna. So you know the old story that Pandavas, they became thirsty, and then they trying to drink water. There is water. Let me drink some. So in the lake, people drink water. You should answer this question, my question. And then, as you know, Bhima, Nakula, Arjuna, Sahadeva, they all ignored the Yaksha's warning, and they drank, and they died, and then Yudhishthira Maharaj came. And as you know the story that what is the most amazing thing in the world? And then Yudhishthira Maharaj said, Ahani ahani bhutani kachanti iha yamalayam shesha hastavaram ichanti kim ascharyam tataparam. So ahani, day by day, bhutani, all living beings, either human being or animals, kachanti iha yamalayam. Kachanti, they are going. Where they are going? From here to Yamala Loka. We're witnessing every single day. But Sheshaha, but those who are left behind, Stavaram Ichanti, they want to establish themselves here in this world as if they live forever. Kim Ascharyam Ataparam. What is more amazing than this? This is one of the most amazing things. People still think they know I'm going to die one day, but still they think I'm not going to die today. Do you agree? Yes. So in this way, this is the most amazing thing. So in this way, Yaksha Prashna also one of the jewel in Mahabharata. And another jewel in Mahabharata is Vidura Niti. So Vidura trying to give the valuable advice to Dhritarashtra. Please spare some land about these Pandavas. They are not trying to take over all your kingdom. Just share little bit of land, then you can spare all this unnecessary killing. But Dhritarashtra, he hears it and then goes the other way. So, but for us, you should take that lesson to our heart and then put into our real life, and you can practice. So here, Vidura has so many instructions, but I'll give you something maybe interesting and also maybe applicable to us also. So there is a hierarchy in any organization, any society. Is it true? So in this temple, there is temple president, and also there is security guard also. And in the middle, there are so many devotees around. So have you heard that in spiritual world, also there is a hierarchy? Why? Some devotee becomes a gopi and always with Krishna. But some devotee becomes tree in the garden. So they are enjoying with Krishna, but it's not that intimate, is it? Similarly, Prabhupada had how many disciples? Around 5,000 disciples Prabhupada had. A lot of them left also. But some of them very close with the Prabhupada, traveling together, become secretary, deal with every single issues, and they're very close with the Prabhupada. But some disciples see Prabhupada once a year from far away, from like this, when Prabhupada give a lecture, and the Prabhupada give initiation by letter. So in this way, there is a hierarchy. But Vidura gives a special tip how to become top of that hierarchy in heavenly planet. So you may wonder, why heavenly planet? Why not spiritual world? But sometimes we learn by some examples. May not be direct, but we learn something by certain stories. So in this way, Vidura gives valuable information about heaven, so that some people go to the heaven, but within that heaven, who goes to high in the heaven? Would you like to hear that? So, before that, do you know who goes to heaven? According to Srimad Bhagavatam, who goes to heaven? Any idea? Any guess? You know already. Why you are so quiet? So of course, some people doing good deed, some charity, opening hospital, opening school, even, helping poor people, or some people who doing Jai Sri Sri Radha Radhanath Ki Jai, Sri Sri Giri Govardhan Ki Jai, Sri Sri Gaura Hari Ki Jai, Srila Prabhupada Ki Jai. So, in general, punya makes us go to heavenly planet. But shine punya malta loka pishanti. But the punya finishes, then what happens? Malta loka pishanti. We have to come back where repeated birth is there. That's the problem. So it's like a bank account. So punya bank account, you have a certain amount. So when we go to heaven, keep spending your punya. And then finally, when punya finishes, then you have to come back down to create again. So in this way, it's called samsara. So in Bhagavatam, very interesting when you see that in some place, Bhagavatam explains that there is a problem of heaven planet also. You know what is the problem? In heavenly planet, there is envy. But intensity of envy is far higher than in this material world. You may wonder, how come there is envy in heavenly planet? Heavenly planet is meant to enjoy. So Bhagavatam explains that what kind of envy? So let's say here, there are many cars. The cars also, different level of cars. So that the highest level car is, I don't know, what is the best car in this country? Let's say some top model of BMW or Mercedes. So if you go to heavenly planet, average is, let's say BMW. But someone has higher than BMW. Let's say Ferrari maybe. So those who have BMW, they have a fantastic car compared to this material world, but and yet they see who has a higher than me. Similarly, yesterday I went to that yoga program, and that the person explaining to me this is an area very rich, and then if you look at that side they have horses and stables in the house. Oh, really? Wow. So I thought that place was fantastic. There was a swimming pool, etc., etc. But there is a upper class than that. So in this way, in the, let's say, heavenly planet, everyone has, let's say, 5-bedroom house, fantastic house with swimming pool. But someone's house is swimming pool plus horse and stables. I just recently been to Cape Town, and they were explaining to me there is an area for certain group of people, area for another people, area for another people. So there is just those under the foot of a mountain, there is hillside, there is beautiful houses there. Like when you see the movie, you see the kind of houses there. So I looked at it, oh, there must be really, really nice house. It looks really beautiful also. But and yet, I wasn't that envious. You know why? Because those people who are living there, they have a higher ambience than me. They may think, when can I have my yacht? So in America, there's 3 types of people. Those who have, those who have nots. And also another type, upper than that, those who have yachts. So in this way, let's say you may have a yacht now, but you may think of those who have private jets like Trump. It's endless. So problem of heavenly planet is that always there is a different level to it. So for us, oh, I wish I have. But for them, I must have. The envy is very intense. And also, problem of heaven is that before they die, they know when will they die, and also what kind of birth they're going to have in next life. Luckily, we don't have any idea. Before we die, either I'm going to take birth in animal kingdom or Goloka Vrindavan, we don't have any idea. So in one sense, we die happily because we don't know. Can you imagine? Maybe next life, I'll take a birth as a worm in the stool. Then, oh my God. But in the heavenly planet, they have information of near the end of life, what kind of birth they're going to have in next life. But whether they want or not, as you may know, they spend all the punya. So what kind of birth? Mostly, they are lower than this material world. Even if they make it to this material world, very lower species of life. And then they make their way up all the way from out of 8,400,000 species, they start from the bottom rung. And then they make a way up. They enjoyed so much in heavenly planet, now they go back down to, let's say, crawling worm. Huge anxiety, incredible anxiety they have. That's why you may heard many times in Srimad Bhagavatam, they are dying to take a birth as a human being in this material world. That's why when you look at the picture of an embryo, most of them in the position of prayer. Please make me a human being. If you look at embryo, picture of either human being or dog or pig or squirrel, you look at closely, most of them is like this. So even those who are in the form of human being, they're praying, please make me a devotee, so that I don't have to go through this process again and again and again. But the moment when you come out, you forget while we are in the womb. That's what they say. But anyhow, let's go back to the tips Vidura gave to us. So Vidura says that Dvo imo purusho rajan. So there are two types of people. Hey king, Rajan. Svarga upari tishtataha. Svargasya upari tishtataha. Svarga, as you know, the heavenly planet. Upari means up, isn't it? So upari Nietzsche, right? Some Indian language, Nietzsche means bottom. Yeah, down. So there are two types of people. Tishtataha. They stay the top level of Svargasya, heavenly planet. Who are those? First one. Prabhuscha Shamaya Yukto. Prabhu. So those who are in the position of the master. So Prabhupada call us, Prabhupada made us to call each other as Prabhu. Hare Krishna Prabhu. So Prabhu. So Prabhuscha Shamaya Yukto. So in general, you know what happens outside? When you are master, in the position of master, when you are in controller, they treat people not very nicely. Hey, do this one. And also sometimes the servant make mistake, they are yelling at, shouting at. They have no respect. So these type of people, they may go to heavenly planet because they may have money, so they spending in good way. But and yet, when they don't treat people nicely, that they cannot go the top of a heavenly planet. But those who are very rich, has a high power position, but very respectful towards all the people. And also, even if this servant make mistake, it's okay. And give them chance. And also explain nicely. In this way, Shama means forgiveness. Constantly, they practice forgiveness and caring and compassion. These people goes very high in heavenly planet. Another type. So there are two types, right? Another type is Daridra Pradhanapan. Daridra means poor. So somehow we didn't have enough pious credit. Because of that, our bank account level is very, very low. So Daridracha, even if you are very, very poor, but and yet, here it says, Pradhanapan. Dhanam means charity, giving. But Pradhanapa, they try to give as much as they can. So I'm poor, I can't give anything. But you can give something. You can give your time. You can give your energy. You can give. What Krishna says? Patram, Pushpam, Palam, Toyam, Yome, Bhakta, Prayachati. So, in Sanskrit word, there is a singular, dual, and plural. In English word, in general, singular and plural. But Sanskrit word, there is dual also. So, Patram is singular. Krishna says, one leaf. Not 2 leaves or 3 leaves, one leaf. Pushpam, one flower. Can you imagine? There are so many leaves here. And also, in garlands, there are so many flowers. One flower. But more amazing thing is, Pushpam, Pushpam, Palam, fruit also one. We understand? But water, Toyam. One drop of water is enough for me. Who cannot give one drop of water? In Bhagavatam, there is saying, one time, one old lady came to temple. So in India, village like where I used to live, so from the village to go to mandir, it takes a lot of endeavor. So it needs organization for the whole year, so that mostly they don't have much of transport. They have to walk long distance. So one lady used to bring either flour, either rice, either some the cooking stuff they used to grow. But as this lady grew older, even she couldn't carry herself to the temple. So she hasn't been to temple for many years. So she finally thought that before I leave my body, at least one more time I should make to temple. I have to see Krishna. I have to take a darshan. So this lady had a strong determination. So she walking and walking and walking and walking with a stick. And then finally she made it to the temple. And then she stood in front of Krishna. But she felt very, very sad and sorry for Krishna. I used to bring flour, I used to bring fruits, I used to bring some cooking stuff for Krishna, sweet, ladu maybe. But this time I couldn't bring anything. And she felt, Krishna, I'm sorry. And then tears dropped. And then she heard a voice from within the heart. Oh my dear, your one drop of water is enough for me. Thank you, my dear. She heard from within the heart. And she was so happy that how kind Krishna is, that Krishna accept my just worthless just tear as offering. So this is a Krishna. So in this way, Vidura is saying, Daridrascha, no matter what situation you may be in, even if you may be suffering from abject poverty, and yet, he's trying to give something. For example, I guess in this temple also, plenty of opportunity of service. So service doesn't necessarily mean that you give donation, put the money in the donation box. No. Any talent you may have. There is saying that amantram aksharam nasti. All the akshara, all the syllables can be mantra. Nasilti mullam an oshadam. Any root of plant, mulla, either flower or trees or herbs, any root has medicinal effect, oshadam. Nasti mullam an oshadam. There is no root which doesn't have medicinal effect. And then, Purusho ayogya nasti. Any person, Purusha, ayogya. Those who doesn't have any talent, ayogya nasti. But, yojakaha tatra dullabhaha. But one who knows how to engage, yojakaha. One who knows how to utilize their root as medicine, dullabha, very, very rare, very difficult. So in this way, Purushaha, Yogyataha, any people has a certain talent. There is saying in Korea, the worm, the earthworm, they have a talent of crawling. So even the worm has talent of crawling. So any person has certain talent, even if they may be disabled. So in this way, that we can offer something in any form, any capacity, in any form of a commitment. So by looking at this, that these two types of people, you may be well off, good, then you contribute something. You don't have anything materially, but still you have some talent, energy, and effort to offer. So in this way, if you do that, then you'll be in the top of Svargaloka, which means in our spiritual practice also, we need to have a certain commitment. According to the level of that commitment, you will decide what place you're going to have in spiritual world. So, in this way, that Vidura gives us very valuable information in a way that very practical for us. So Bhagavad Gita is sometimes very philosophical because Krishna has only less than an hour to talk to Arjuna. So all the talk around 45 minutes. So Krishna has to explain Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Jnana Yoga, in essence, very philosophical. So finally Krishna said, even whatever I explained, you understand, and then you have to give up Dharma also. Very, very esoteric topic. But Vidura Niti is such a way that it's a bit watered down so that for us to easy to digest, for us easy to practice. Now, it's up to you how you're going to put into practice in your day-to-day life. So you may think, oh, what shall I do? But there's always way of doing it. My Guru Maharaj used to say, tip the scale. So for example, there is a scale. One side, you have a certain spiritual activity. The other side, just general mundane activities. So you look at it. So if, for example, material activity is way more, then you have to assess yourself honestly. Then don't worry. Slowly, you're trying to lessen this activity, and then one by one, add more spiritual activity. For example, my Guru Maharaj to give newspaper, so that daily you read a newspaper. Actually, maybe now we better to use a phone. The time has changed. So daily you check YouTube, different news, or maybe different drama, or different songs maybe. Maybe some girls, maybe BTS song, K-pop. So I'm actually disciple of BTS, Bhakti Tirtha Swami, not K-pop BTS. So you may hear BTS song. So let's say if you measure it, so per day, let's say you spend 5 hours, for example, on some mundane activity on the phone. But the same phone, you use it, okay. Now maybe BTS song, yesterday I heard 5 BTS song, but today I hear 1 minute of BTS Maharaj. You start with 1 minute. Don't jump, otherwise you will fall soon. Otherwise you will be back down. So gradually tip the scale. So in the beginning, 5 hours to 1 minute, you assess it. And then slowly, 2 minutes, and then 4 hours, 58 minutes. And then 3 minutes, 4 hours, 57 minutes. And then gradually tip the scale. Can you do that? Can you do that? Yes, you can do that. Very practical guidance, isn't it? So in this way, we have Acharya's instruction also to put spiritual practice into our day-to-day life in very practical way. So for example, you wake up in the morning, let's say 6 o'clock. So then you start with 1 minute. Okay. 5:55, you will start to wake up. In this way, 1 week, start from 1 week. Not every day, then it's too much things to adjust. So 1 minute a week. At the end of the year, 52 minutes means nearly 1 hour earlier you wake up by the next year. So then 5 o'clock you wake up. Finally, if you wake up 4 o'clock, then you can make it to Mangalarti. It may take 2 years, but gradual changes, tipping the scale. Anything like that. So Vidura says something very interesting also. If you want to make money, you have to be careful of each penny spending. If you want to have knowledge, like the rich people, they are careful of spending each penny. Like that, you have to be careful of each moment. Each moment you must relate it to learning. Krishna said the same thing to Arjuna. Shanai uparamet. Shanai. Slowly, gradually uparamet. Raise yourself. Thank you very much. Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Nitai Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Patanjali Munidas, for an inspiring and enlightening class and for sharing the little stories about your childhood as well. Thank you, Prabhu. So devotees, we have a few announcements and some reminders. Tomorrow morning at 7:30 is class by His Holiness Swayam Bhagavan Keshava Swami Maharaj. So do catch tomorrow morning's class. Then Sri Nrsimha Chaturdashi, the appearance day of Lord Nrsingadev, is on Wednesday, the 22nd of May. So we have two opportunities to be directly involved. First one is the Mahayagya, which takes place at 3:30. Now for this, booking is essential. We still can book. There are still some places available. And remember, it's booking per person. So you can book via the link on the social media sites. Then at 5:30 on the 22nd will be the Maha Abhishek for Nrsingadev. And for this, we are all invited to sponsor towards the Maha Abhishek. So you can catch those details on social media platforms as well. Then today's Prashadam, Ekadashi Prashadam, has been prepared by the Srila Prabhupada Mahata, which is led by His Grace Doyal Chaitanya Prabhu. So a big thank you to Doyal Chaitanya Prabhu and his team for today's Ekadashi Prashadam. Haribol. On the note of Prashadam, a reminder that next week, the 22nd of May, sees the start of our Prashadam coupon system. Now, I know we all know about it, but a quick reminder, the inspiration behind the Prashadam coupon system is pure care, compassion, and eagerness to reciprocate with everyone who takes advantage of the full Sunday Love Feast program, which starts off with the Guru Puja, the Kirtan, the philosophical discussion, which is the class, and then the Aarti, and then the Kirtan, and then the Prashadam. So a reminder again as to when the coupons will be handed out. It will be handed out to devotees before the class starts. So we'll all receive our coupons once we are seated. And then those who have coupons will join the priority queue in the white marquee. and we will get our prasadam first. But let's say I miss that time and I come in a little bit later and I don't get my coupon. Will I still get prasadam? Yes, I will. But I will get it after all of you who have the coupons, after you get your prasadam, then I will be able to get mine. So devotees, management thanks you for your positive feedback and for your cooperation and embracing this prasadam coupon system. So we'll now continue with Kirtan and Aarti. So we can continue with Kirtan. Hare Krishna. Thank you devotees for attending today's Sunday Love Feast. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ramo, Hare Ramo, Ramo Ramo, Hare Hare. Bolo.